Independence Day speech. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today we celebrate the freedom of our great nation. On 15th August 1947, India became independent after the sacrifices of many brave freedom fighters. We are proud to be Indians. We should always love our country, respect our national flag, follow good values, and work hard to make India stronger and better. Let us promise to be honest, kind, responsible, and good citizens of our nation. Jai Hind! Happy Independence Day! Thank you.